Coditor.com. Review: is this website legit or a scam? If you've come across Coditor.com and aren't sure whether it's a trustworthy site or just another scam, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll break down what Coditor.com claims to be, how it works, and whether it seems legitimate based on available features and typical user experiences. Coditor.com presents itself as a platform offering a variety of services, tools, or products, depending on what you're looking for. Before deciding to use any online service, especially one that requires personal details or payments, it's important to take a close look at the website's transparency, functionality, and credibility. One of the first things to consider is the design and structure of Coditor.com. A professional, well-organized site can be a positive sign, but appearance alone isn't enough to prove legitimacy. Reliable websites typically provide clear contact information, detailed terms of service, privacy policies, and active customer support channels. If these elements are missing or vague, that can be a red flag. Another factor is how the site interacts with users. Legit platforms generally have clear processes for user accounts, secure payment systems, and verifiable ways to track orders or access services. If users report missing deliveries, unresponsive support, or unexpected charges, that's often a cause for concern. Reviews and testimonials can also offer insight, but it's important to distinguish between genuine user feedback and fabricated praise. Scams often use overly positive or generic reviews that lack detail. Genuine reviews tend to mention specific experiences, both positive and negative, and can be found on independent forums or review sites. In terms of verification, legitimate websites will often have verifiable business registrations, secure HTTPS connections, and participation in recognized online communities or marketplaces. Checking for these signals can help confirm whether Coditor.com operates with credibility. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Coditor.com has some positive points like a professional design and secure HTTPS connection. These elements are often found on legitimate sites and help protect user data. An easy-to-navigate layout and clear descriptions, when provided, also make the site more user-friendly. On the downside, the cons raise some concerns. Limited transparency about who runs the site, few verifiable user reviews, and unclear customer support options can be warning signs. When business registration and authentic feedback are hard to find, it becomes more difficult to trust the platform fully. In summary, while Coditor.com may appear legitimate at first glance, the lack of transparent business information and limited verifiable reviews mean it's worth proceeding with caution. If you're considering using the site, take extra steps to verify its credibility before sharing personal or payment details.